When you're ready to begin to assemble your ornament, the first thing that you need to do is to get one of the template sheets and very, very carefully cut it out. Make sure that you do not cut off the tabs. The dotted lines are fold lines, not cut lines. So make sure that when you're cutting, you cut around the outside of those tabs. When you're finished, you should have something that looks like this. The next thing is to actually fold down on these tabs, and you're going to fold away from the front like this. Turn it, fold it, make nice strong creases. You're going to fold all of the fold lines plus these solid lines in between, so that when you're finished, your edges will look like that, and you'll have something that's ready to glue together. Now, the best way to glue this is to use a glue stick. Whenever you're using glue, you should have something down on the table to protect the surface of the table. I'm just going to put a piece of paper here to protect that. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue to the edges of my piece. Now, where do you apply the glue? See this? You have this shape. You don't apply the glue yet to any of the outside parts. This piece here, this is the piece that's going to be the bottom part. We're going to apply the glue around the four sides of this piece. So along here, 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 and here. Again, this is the piece that's sort of in the middle. I'm also going to apply a little bit of glue along the bottom edges around this half circle. All right, now I am ready to actually start pressing the glue together. I'm going to just do one side at a time and rotate as I'm pressing this together. If your creases are nice and strong, it will be very easy to press these glued pieces together. And I have this side piece here that needs to get a little glue. So that when you're finished, you have this cup shape. Your template gives you two sets, and you should cut out both. So when you have the two cup shapes, now you're ready to glue these together. And again, you're just going to apply glue on the tabs, and then there's going to be one side here that doesn't have a tab. Just make sure that you line that up with another part of the other part that does have one. So I'm going to apply glue these upper edges on both cups. I find that the glue stick works best if you apply it to both sides that you're going to be attaching to each other. That's why I'm actually going to put it on both cups. And I'm just applying this all the way around. Now I'm ready to set these in place and press the tabs together. And this is just a matter of pinching. Well, first of all, you have to figure out how you're going to assemble them. Look, it's like having a dinosaur egg kind of thing. You're looking for where the triangle is going to fit into the V shape, and then just pressing them together firmly to make them adhere to each other. And again, a little hard to do this in front of the camera, but you get the idea. When you're all finished assembling this shape, then it will be time for you to cut out your pictures for each side and just glue them onto each face of this ornament. Now you might want to design your ornament so that each ornament represents one family member, or your ornament might represent a favorite sport that you have. Any of those things would be appropriate. So when you're finished, you have this nice multi-sided ornament, and the finished piece looks like this. Okay? That concludes this demonstration.